Section 1.1.A-16. Alex made 4 pies, some apple and some cherry. There were 9 slices in each apple pie and 7 slices in each cherry pie. If he had 34 slices of pie, then how many of each type of pie were there? Well, there are several different ways to solve this. One is to use a variable. So let A be equal to the number of pies that are baked. This means the number of cherry pies that are baked is represented by 4 minus A. So using 9 slices for an apple pie and 9 slices for a cherry pie, then we get the following. We have 9 times A plus 7 times 4 minus A, which is equal to the total slices, which is 34. Now we're going to distribute the 7 to both of those terms. So we get 9A plus 7 times 4, which is 28. 7 times minus A is minus 7A, and that's equal to 34. Now let's combine terms, or like terms. 9A minus 7A is going to give us 2A. If we subtract 28 to both sides, 34 minus 28 gives us 6. Divide both sides by 2, and therefore A is going to equal 3. So now we know what the value of A is up here. So the number of apple pies is 3. Therefore, the number of cherry pies is 4 minus 3, which is equal to 1. Since the number of pies is small, another solution strategy is to make a table of all possible cases. So we have apple, cherry, and the total. Okay, so here's your apple pies, cherry pies, the slices, and the total slices. So if you have 0 apple pies, 4 cherry pies, you have 0 apple slices, 28 cherry slices, so 28 total slices that are cherry pies. If you have 1 apple pie, 3 cherry, that means you have 9 apple slices, 21 cherry slices, and 30 total slices. If you had 2 apple pies, 2 cherry pies, that means you have 18 apple slices and 14 cherry slices. Because remember, this is 2 times 9, which is 18. 2 times 7 is 14. Since there's 7 slices in the cherry pies, and therefore adding those together gives you 32. Next, if you have 3 apple pies, 1 cherry pie, that means 9 times 3 is 27 apple slices, and then 1 times 7 is 7 cherry slices, which gives us 34, which is what we were looking for. If we had 4 apple pies, 0 cherry pies, that means 36 apple slices, and therefore we would have 36 slices. Now from the table, we can see that there are 34 slices when there are 3 apple pies and 1 cherry pie.